What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go out fishing in Big Lake. You know what we're looking for? Speckled trout. Here we go.
GTG. Good to go, bro. Oh, fishing.
Nanny, got his ass. There we go. First one on the boat, baby. Woo. And it's a speck. Yeah. Let's bust them, baby. I'm ready. Here we go. Yeah, baby. I'm bringing him right to the net. Woo. I'm switching you right now.
Okay.
Look. Woo. There he is. That's still a keeper problem. Yeah. Boom. Trace. Oh, he might be shaking his head. Yeah, give me a net, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're full of work. I just wanted to break it in for you. There we go. Number 4. There we go, that's what we're looking for. It died off a little bit, so we switched up to a popping cork with a dead shrimp. And now hopefully Chelle will bust him in the mouth here. Bring it. No, keep him in the water. Don't take him out of the water, dude. You can, net.
About time. Yeah.
What you got, Shelly Shells?
Whoa, trout. Look at this. All right, here.
What you mean here?
Take them off.
There we go. What's up, y'all? That's what we're looking for. Chelle caught her first fish, and I'm holding it for her. The monster hook set for the friggin' hard heads. It must be. Stop reeling. Just bring it to me. There you go. There's my girl. And smile.
Is that a keeper?
Huh? He looks like it. Yeah. All right.
Let go.
I got this. That's how you hold it?
I don't know. Is that how you hold it? Oh my god.
Come on, go measure it.
Woo.
Let's go measure it. Right on the zero. A little under 14. Keeper in the box. She's telling me to do chores back here. I know what it is. Your brother called my spot. That's what it is. Woo! Get in there. Get in there and get him. Take a picture with you. Oh, good. Oh, there. Get him. Get a picture.
No. I'm gonna get back out.
Look at that. Hold on here. We'll pretend it's your arms. Face the camera. Good trout, Chelle's. Sean. She caught herself.
Bringing up all that jelly shit.
Got us another one. Oh yeah. Hammering them, baby. They do the little shaky. We're having a good time today. Yeah, now that's how you set a hook. Yeah. Oh, but that's how you set a hook. Michelle did a super set. That was good stuff. I leave the camera on and I don't catch one. I turn it off and here we go. It's dangerous out here.
Looking at me.
There you go.
Yes.
Yeah, Michelle's black drum.
All right.
Because I didn't set it. There you go. Just keep bringing it right here. Bring it right here.
Yeah. Woo!
Here, pulling my. Oh. Smile. Let me get out the picture.
Smile. Cheese.
Okay. As she finishes practicing her hook set, man, that's it, guys. She's going to finish up the last few shrimp she's got, and we're going to get out of here from Big Lake, man. This is TJ and Michelle. Oh, set it. Set it. Guys, a lot of fun, man. Thanks for hanging with us. Love you guys, man. Peace and love. We're out. Bye, y'all.